If you leave your cucumber plant to grow, it will take a long time to grow and it will grow tons of leaves. And if you live in a zone where you have a limited time of garden season, you want to go ahead and follow my step to get a faster harvest. So between the main stem right here, this is the cucumber plant main stem, and you got a leaf right here, right? Between the leaf and the main stem, you see this extra growth part right here? This is the side shoot. I highly recommend to remove this at least 3 feet high from the plant as the plant is growing. That will take off so much energy from the plant. It's a side distraction, basically, taking away the main focus of the cucumber plant growing. And what we're gonna do, our plant has a lot of leaves. So what I like to do, I'll come here, look, 1, 2, 3. That's all you have to do. A simple pruning. We got good airflow, no leaves is touching the soil, less chance of disease and stuff like that. And then we're gonna guide this upward. So we had a leaf which I cut out here, and this is my side shoot. So the side shoot growing into a new cucumber plant, producing cucumber right here. But you're gonna ask yourself, like, why don't we leave all of them to get more? Now, if we leave all of them, it's gonna take a long time to produce cucumbers. It's gonna grow so much side shoots, over like 8 side shoots on one cucumber plant, taking up all your garden, taking up a lot of space, and using so much energy and time just to grow more leaves. For 20 something cucumber plants gonna be growing upward in a 7-foot trellis. I do it every year, and I remove all of the side shoots up to 3 feet high. Now as the plant is growing, you see right here, look, this is a side shoot right here. As I said, I recommend highly, do not let them grow at the lower point. It will take away too much energy, and especially if you're training your plant to grow. Now that side one is going to come on the bottom there, and that's going to bring in a lot of disease. It's going to slow down the production, and we don't need that. That's a no-no. So what we're going to do is remove them. You got to come every day or 2 days and keep up with this so the energy does not waste on the side shoots. One thing I'll advise you guys to do, add fertilizer with higher nitrogen. Cucumber plant love nitrogen. And make sure if you're growing in container, cucumber plant needs more water every 2 days. It needs more fertilizer every 2 weeks, because in a container it's smaller, so you have to make sure you're feeding your cucumber plant and keep them hydrated, especially in a hot temperature, and they will produce beautiful. Thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. A quick video. Gotta head out to my kids' soccer game, so I just wanted to make this quick tip as the plant is growing, because I know it's time for cucumbers and a lot of people love cucumbers.